Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Friday, and we have our spelling celebration. You will need a piece of paper and a pencil. Please number your piece of paper from 1 through 10. Let's go ahead and get started. Listen carefully to each word. As you are writing down your words, think about the patterns that we have studied this week. Let's go ahead and begin. Number 1 is sing. I sing in the shower. Number 1 is sing. Number 2 is bean. The bean plant is growing. Bean. Number 3 is asked. I asked my students if they had a question. Asked. Number 4 is keep. Number 4 is keep. Keep your shoes in the box. Keep. Number 5 is why. Why is it raining? Number 5 is why. Number 6, clear. The water was very clear. Clear. Number 7, turned. The car turned its wheels. Turned. Number 8, deer. The deer was running through the woods. Deer. Number 9 is here. The pizza is here. Here. Number 10 is her. Her shoes are pink. Her. Okay, that was the last word for your spelling test. Remember that if you need to hear another word, you may go back and listen to the video again. Have a great day.